In this video, I am going to show you how Data Quality App Dashboard and Severity works. The dashboard shows all your rules that are active for that entity. We have two red signs, which are errors, and we will put as rule suggest in field job title. Manager and in mobile phone field, only 3 numbers to try to fix it. Let's try and click Save, but it will fail since it still doesn't fulfill requirements. Now we will go and put in that field's more than 6 numbers. It should change the error sign to OK and allow us to save this contact. If you want to learn more about these data quality rules, please reach out to us. As shown, that rule is now green since we fulfill its requirements. Now, let's check warning sign. It is rule created on address city field with minimum length of 3. Currently, it does not meet requirements, but we can save the contact. We will go and fill city field and go click on Save button. As shown now that rule is green, we successfully updated this contact.